Alright, y'all, we are headed to the gym. Today is leg day. We're gonna train some legs. Whew, Crystal's driving, it's gonna get crazy. Main thing is we're gonna have fun when we train legs today. You know, some people get anxious when it's leg day. I'm one of those people too, believe it or not. You know, you train legs, you still get anxious. You know, I'm right there with you. You have like so much expectation. I don't know why I get anxious still, but I do. So about to go train legs, about to have fun, about to go heavy, about to kill it. Isn't that right?
That's right.
You still get anxious?
Yeah, I do.
It's weird. I don't know why legs.
Every single leg day.
Legs have like a power over people.
I do the same thing with deadlifts too.
But I'm about to make those squats my we're about to kill some squats. Here we go. Alright, y'all, successful leg workout in the books. Did squats, went heavy on squats. I debated on whether or not I wanted to do 465, and then I went for it. So, no excuses, no anxiety. Let's kill it. What are we doing?
We are getting ready to go to Little Rock, make some more bricks, moving some cacao butter over.
More bricks.
More bricks. Bricks on bricks on bricks.
Making more bricks, y'all. Making more bricks. All right, y'all. We are making bricks right now, or we're going to be making bricks. We're going to make bricks on Thursday this week. Not sure when we're going to drop them. We only have one night to make them this night, so we're going to see how many we can make in the one night. It's going to be like working from 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. in the afternoon to 3 a.m. in the morning, though, making them. So we'll see how many we can knock out, and then I'll let you know, obviously, when we launch them. But yeah, so we're going to see what we got there. We got to run to Sam's Club real quick, grab a couple more. We got to grab like tinfoil. And we got to grab some aprons and just like some cleaning towels and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing now. In case any of y'all are interested, this is the bike that I've been wanting to get someday eventually. I just think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, buddy. Here we are at Sam's Club. All right, y'all, we're here at Sam's Club, and Crystal's talking about what we're gonna get for our wedding. I'm trying to work on Keto Bricks stuff. She's talking about our wedding. Oh my gosh. Focus, babe, focus.
We're getting married at the farm, so we need paper, or we need like plates and silverware and stuff that
And you want these, huh?
Throw away.
You want these?
These ones are ugly, but I do want these kind, yes.
Oh
you
my
can just throw them
God.
away, but they're like durable. They're not like paper plates.
Paper
Have them
plates.
barbecue.
Paper plates on the wedding. That's all we need. Alright, y'all, we are at Sam's Club getting gas right now. About to hit the road here in a little bit. I still got to check in on all my clients. They're not too much. Oh, done getting gas. Real quick though, like I said, we're only going to be able to do one night worth of Keto Brick production. So there's not going to be just a whole lot of bricks. Based off of what's happened in the past, they're probably going to sell out really quickly again. But I don't want to like have to keep y'all waiting longer. So I'm opting to do smaller, more frequent batches instead of larger, less frequent batches until we're able to scale up, which I talked to somebody today. I'm gonna get more equipment in. Like, I'm working on it. It just takes a while to get everything set up and equipment in, but we're gonna be able to scale up relatively quickly. So again, we're gonna have a small batch this run, but I didn't want to keep y'all waiting for another one, so that's that. Yeah, also it's getting pretty hot out here, so let me know if your bricks are soft or melted or anything like that. I can't guarantee against that. They're shelf stable at room temp, but they get super hot in some of these USPS trucks. But they're still fine. The macros are still fine. The ingredients are still all fine. Just be cautious of that if your brick's a little, if you get a keto blob instead of a keto brick. I apologize, it's not as pretty. So yeah, keep that in mind if you decide to order. All right, catch y'all later. All right, y'all, so if you shop at Sam's Club and you spend like 500 bucks or something,
I think so.
you get like 10 bucks back or something like that. I don't know. But we got $110 worth of, not free, but like credited groceries just now at Sam's Club. We're at Whole Foods now. We're not gonna get any free groceries here. Oh, check it out, y'all. We just started carrying enlightened ice cream in our Whole Foods. How cool is that?
Be careful with it.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with it. Like, what is...
14 grams of carbs for half of a cup.
Focus. Yeah, you gotta be careful with that. Very minimal, very minimal. Need more electrolytes. I'm gonna try a new brand of creatine too. Creatine Plus Buffered Complex. I think this stuff has got like potassium and magnesium carbonate already in it. So let's see if it's any good. Alright, y'all, one of my little hacks is to get these super dry aged Parmesan. Does not require refrigeration. It's a really good source of protein and fats. You just take this with you whenever and not have to worry about a refrigerator. So I like this a lot. Alright, y'all, we're looking for Mother's Day cards. Don't forget Mother's Day is on Sunday. Any good ones?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing. These are all birthday.
Hey,
That's the one for Robert.
I got a better body than that guy. A thong contest. Alright, y'all, Chef Crystal over here. What'd you make?
Made zucchini chips. But Robert was on a podcast, so I couldn't even get them out of the oven, so they burnt.
Those look like burnt chips, black chips.
They're actually really good.
Let me try one here. Alright, y'all. Taste test of the zucchini chips. The burnt chips.
I just wanted something crunchy. It's not bad at all. Really salty.
They are not crunchy. Good. Oh yeah, check this out, y'all. I made a fat bomb, and this is the first time I've ever had a silicone mold. So it's gonna be super pretty. Undo that for me, babe.
Whoa!
It does look pretty, doesn't it?
It does. It looks like a Reese's cup.
I'm gonna eat this. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat that. This is mine. Here, hold this for me. I'm doing like a little food porn on the camera here. Mmm.
Ooh.
Come on, focus. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. In case y'all didn't know, Jack and me, we're not tight. He's just gonna sit in my ear and pant the whole ride up there. What do you think, baby?
That's probably what he's gonna do.
You showing off your 4 teeth?
Jack's about to get a pup cup. Jack?
Pup cup.
That's what they call it.
We're getting our Americanos, our keto coffees together, all three of us. We're all keto here.
Okay, here's this thing.
Awesome, thank you, ma'am.
Here's this thing.
I've never done this before. I just give this to him.
Oh my
Jack.
goodness, he's gonna love it.
Oh, you like that? He's just going to town.
Heavy cream for Jack.
Alright, you just have that there.
He's so cute.
Alright, y'all, we are at Starbucks. We're taking a little pit stop on the way to Little Rock. We're going to be making bricks tomorrow night. And I wanted to point out that whenever I start these clips off, the thing I always say is, alright, y'all. You notice that? Alright, y'all. Let me know if that gets annoying, because I would think that would be annoying. So, alright, y'all. We'll catch you later. Alright, y'all. We're at Granny and Pop's house. We're going to crash here. We're going to make bricks tomorrow. That's the update. How you feeling? Tired?
Yes.
She's tired. We're tired. I'm gonna work on some clients right now, and we're going to wake up and tackle the day. I forgot my lifting shoes. I left them at home, so I gotta find some shoes because I can't work out in flip flops tomorrow. So I have to figure that problem out. But it'll be good. Y'all, good night. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.